We got room.
We're in the D. We're riding the D, but not that D.
With the JBL,
Fox.
I think there was a song that I didn't get a chance to listen to it, but I think there was someone made it like for social media.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Oh shit, the first doors are closing.
She's not gonna move. That would be all right. Back in the car. We're out of station. We're not under the bed.
Well, actually, no. I think it's
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
I thought they said already.
I like crab foot wars.
The next stop is Wilshire La Brea Station.
All I heard was these. That's the equivalent of bird strike right there. It's like the MTA, bro. Like on subway. Yeah, this one came all man had stop. Chain like how I felt like after getting dumped like somewhere like in the East setting. Lesser kid. Even their shoes are straight.
Arriving at Wilshire La Brea Station. Connect upstairs for flight 220 to Onward and Onward.
Still working.
Oh man.
Don't open the doors. Don't open the doors. Lauren, please. The other chair. Oh no, I'm not sitting. I'm getting out of the way. Wait, what is that guy running? What is that guy running? Hold on. Let me take my photo.
You know what they said? World Cup ready, right?
Ahead of our World Cup, Olympics, and our nation's 250th anniversary of independence.
All we needed was the airport shot. That's it.
Oh, you know what, dude?
Well before our World Cup, Olympics, and our nation's 250th anniversary.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
A lot of extreme engineering put into it, huh?
Now arriving Wilshire Fairfax Station. Connect upstairs from Brea 217 to the Onward Village and
Just like where I grew up, I'm like my parents' house where I grew up is like a 10-minute walk from where the station is. My parents will be easier. Gotta wait another for the southern part, the northern part.
It's all just press shots. It's not actually people. It's just
40 years.
Oh my god, there's a line.
Hold on a second, just let me. Hold on, I need a photo for the station.
It's Jim! Jim! Yeah!
please stand clear. The doors are closing.
I didn't want any, like I asked her if she wants us to get her.
I will. Wilshire La Cienega Station in Beverly Hills. To the Beverly Center in West Hollywood. And remember to tap again to exit.
Finally, at last we're here.
Now arriving Wilshire La Cienega Station in Beverly Hills. Westward and Santa Monica via Wilshire. occupying 105 to the Beverly Center and West Hollywood via La Cienega.
Ride the D! 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 Ride the D!
Until the doors have opened. Upon arrival, all passengers must exit the train. Those who wish to continue riding must exit and re-enter the station.
Finally, the chant is finally happening, man. Sick.
We didn't put got on, but still there.
He probably got out. I didn't bother kind of yet.
They from the exchange.
I don't know yet. Yep. Good.
Yeah, we got that. It just doesn't make any sense.
Other side.
Oh, it's on the other side?
Yeah. No. Switching us track. Oh, it's a switch.
Yeah, we got business side.
Ride the D! Ride the D!
Ride the D! Ride the D! Ride the D! Ride the D! Ride the D!
Here, come this way, sweetie.
Johnny shot it.
Oh, what's up, Joe? Good to see you.
We just got off the train. We're looking for you.
I just got off the train.
There we go. One card like that. One card.
Is that like a train?
Hi. Hello.
Regresamos al estudio.
Are you going to take the train back or are you going to...
No, I'm staying around here.